let us learn about mathematical symbols. Okay, mathematical symbols. Without mathematical symbols we cannot add, subtract, okay, subtract, multiply and division, percentage. For these things we have to know about the mathematical symbol. We all know about the mathematical symbols in English. Okay, in English we all know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now we have to learn about the these symbols in Hindi. These symbols in Hindi. Okay, the first one is plus. Plus symbol is called as jot. Is called as jot. That is addition. Okay, that is addition. If we taking class in maths, we can say in Hindi, इन दो नंबरों को जोड़ो, इस दो नंबरों को जोड़ो, जवाब दो. दो नंबरों को जोड़ो, जवाब दो means add these two numbers and say the answer. Add these two numbers and say the answer. Likewise, we have to ask question. Or if we give some pieces, coins, okay, coins to the children, we can say them, add this and say how much rupees you are having. Okay, how much rupees you are having. हम बच्चों को पैसे देते के समय उनको पूछेंगे कि जोड़ो और जवाब दो, कितना पैसा तुम्हारे पास है, कितना पैसा तुम्हारे पास है. Then the second one is multiplication. Multiplication is called as guna. Multiplication is called as guna. Okay, guna means multiplication. Then multiplication, in multiplying these for दो and तीन को गुना के बताओ क्या आती है, क्या आती है. Multiply 2 and 3, say the answer. Multiply 2 and 3, say the answer. Then the third one is minus. We call it as baki. We call it as baki. Baki means subtraction. Baki means subtraction. If we give some pieces to the children and tell them to buy some things, tell them to buy some turmeric powder, etc. for the purpose of preparing food. Okay, preparing food, we can ask. Then we can ask them, what is the remaining money? What is the remaining money? In Hindi we can call it as baki. बाकी पैसे तुम्हारे पास कितने हैं? बाकी पैसे तुम्हारे पास कितने हैं? Then the fourth one is bag. Bag means, bag is called as division. Bag is called as division, divide. Okay, divide, bago. Okay, मिठाई को बागो, बांडो. Okay, बांडो. बांडो means divide. Divide the things and give it to all the children. Then that is the fifth one. Fifth one is percentage. Percentage. Percentage we are having two names, Fisadi. Okay, Fisadi and Pradishat. Mostly common used is Pradishat. Pradishat. Okay, in discount. Okay, while purchasing the dresses in the shops, we can ask them what is the discount, percentage. Discount, percentage. इसे हम कहते हैं as प्रतिशत. प्रतिशत mean इस साड़ी की क्या प्रतिशत है means what is the percentage of discount for this saree. What is the percentage of discount for this saree? Pradishat. Pradishat means percentage. Then the last one is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is dasams. Dasamams means decimal. Decimal form. We can see here 0.001. Okay, this is called as decimal number. This is called as decimal number. It is in Hindi we can call it as dasams. Okay, we can call it as dasams. Dasams means decimal numbers. Okay, all you know how we have to write and what is the name for mathematical symbols. Okay.